Running Kimono here, and oh my gosh, Walgreens was really good today. Apologies about this video being up a little later. Just caught a bit of the lazies this morning. Dollar General has been so busy on Saturdays and throughout the week with the different deals. It's like we've had a clearance event for the last 2 weeks straight. If you're an avid Dollar General shopper and running on a lot of deals, you know precisely what I'm talking about. But yes, I was just a little bit tired today. I actually woke up today and I thought it was Monday because I was so tired. But no, it's Sunday, so yeah. We're gonna go through this bite by bite. I was able to do 2 different deals with the booster. One was a $40 basket, one was a $25 basket, and it worked out really great. And some clearance finds here, a free photo, and then a little freebie over at Meijer. Weather report for you guys. Beautiful day here, not too hot. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a terrific day. Okay, so the boosters are working, everything's working for me, and I was able to find the elusive candy corn, so I'll talk about that as well. First thing we're going to talk about over at Walgreens, and I'm not sure when this is going to expire, but you're able to get 1 free 8x10, and this is 1 per account with the code BIGGER8X10. So you would just go upload a photo and use that code, pick up the print at the store, and it's completely free. And again, that is once per store card. And this is one of our barn cats outside. Her name is Puffer, and that's Camilla, I think. So the 2 little kitties, they are really adorable. What a great little print. So yesterday I made a video, just a hodgepodge of insanity that happened. Not the greatest experience at a Walgreens, where I found a whole bunch of clearance at 90% off. If you missed that video, or if you're just not into story times, I'll just go through this again. In the aisle with all of the light bulbs and fuel and padlocks and flashlights, these sharper images are $1. I'll show you the UPC in a second. Of course, clearance is always a your mileage may vary, but to pay $1 for a product that's $9.99, this is a really great product, great little stocking stuffer as well. And then I was able to find a huge amount of these sugar-free Halls, and they are, I believe, 30 cents per bag. So I got 8 of them. Count them, 2, 4, 6, 8. And just in case you wanted to count. Okay, I'll show you guys the UPC. And shout out to one of my subscribers who sent me a message. I believe this person is a manager on the East Coast. I'm not going to give the specifics in case this person doesn't want their info out there, but they sent me a list, and pantyhose was part of 90%, which is a new clearance. And I checked at my store, and guess what? Absolutely right. So I just want to show you a couple slides of the clearance. Okay guys, so I just smashed together 2 promotions to get my basket up to $40, and it worked out beautifully. So I was using the booster, which is $10 back when you spend $40, so I loaded that digitally. Plus I had a paper one of spend $20, get back $6. So I utilized both of those, and I picked up $40 of merchandise. So the first items that I grabbed was 3 bags of the Tide Pods. I had a Peely, one from the August P&G, and then 1 digital. The digital didn't come off, so I have to call customer service or text them or do that chat thing to get that $2 missing Tide digital coupon. And then I had a $2 from the August P&G. This store, super strict. They read through all of the coupons, so there's no funny business. I wasn't going to try anything. So anyhow, I was able to use a $2 on each of them doing it that way, but still one of them didn't come off. So that was the only error in my whole haul today. And then I also picked this up, $8.99 for this one, $5.99 for this one, $5.99 for this one. I thought I had a Peely for the men's, but it expired in June, so I wasn't able to use it. However, we had a $4 off for this lady and a $2 off for this one. This one had nothing, but hey, it's not the end of the world. So for all of this, for the Tide guys, it was $19.80. They're $4.95 a pop, so $4.95 times 4 is $19.80. For all of this lovely chic, it was $20.97. So adding the 2 together, we have a total of $40.77. I had the 10 back when you spend 40 loaded digitally. Plus I got the cashier to scan the $6 when you spend 20. And then I had 2, 2, and 2 that came off. One of them didn't come off, and then a 4 and a 2 that came off. So I had to pay $28.77 with my debit card. And then I got back a $6 register reward from Tide, so that's really fantastic. Buy 4, get back a $6 register reward. And then I got back $21.40 in Walgreens cash. I got back 5 for this, 6 for the 20, plus an extra 10. And then I got back a couple everyday ones as well. And then I'm also gonna get back a $2 one when I get in touch with customer service for the Tide. So it essentially makes all of this completely for free if you have the booster and a couple of coupons to go with. I mean, it's just really fantastic. The next little haul that I got was to get $25 of merch. I grabbed 2 of these Eczema Olay body washes. So it is this more fancier line of the Eczema. And my mother has psoriasis, but I know that this eczema stuff, because of the elements that are in it, I'm even gonna keep one of these for myself because I had a bad flare up a couple years ago and it was really like my skin was on fire all the time. If you've ever had eczema, you know precisely what I'm talking about. These are 2 for $16. We had a 5 off of 2, plus you get back $4 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2, so that's a really great deal. Putting it in a $25 basket is a little bit better too. I got 2 of these Colgate Toothpaste. They are $3.99 a pop, so for 2 of them, that's $7.98. I had $2 off of this one and $1 off of this one. So I had $3 of digital coupons, not the worst thing. Buy 2 of them, get back $4 of Walgreens cash. And this elusive turkey dinner candy corn, I was looking for it. I couldn't find it for like the last 2 years at my Walgreens, but for whatever reason, it just showed up and I'm like, oh, I really need to get some. Because I have a friend that loves gag gifts, so that's a really good like Christmas gift for her. And my brother, my oldest brother likes gag gifts as well, so I picked one up for him. So 2 of them, why not? And I'm so happy to find them too. I was like, oh my gosh. So for all of this merchandise, the 2 toothpastes, the 2 Olays, and the 2 candy corns, it was $28.98. I had the $5 back when you spend $25 loaded digitally. Now, I had a couple digital coupons as well, such as the 5 off of 2 for this, a 2 and a 1 for that. Plus I had 2 $5 register rewards last week. I think it was for the crest or something. So at checkout, guys, got the cashier to scan both of these, and then the register rewards, which are manufacturer register rewards, they're not the store ones, they attach to both of these products. The 5 off of 2 and those coupons still came off. So after all of those coupons came off, a mix of digitals and the manufacturer register rewards, I paid $10.98 plus tax and then got back $13 in Walgreens cash, 5 for the basket, and then 4 for Colgate and 4 for Olay, you know, making it a pretty good wash of free. And it's just smart to take those register rewards and to toss it into something else. So very delighted about that. I'm gonna try to delighted about that. I'm going to try to whip up another deal with the Olay, especially the eczema prone. I had a flare up a couple years ago. If you've ever had eczema, you know that it's painful, and if you ever have to go back out and buy some sort of lotion or something like that, it does cost a pretty penny. So this is something to definitely keep in your stockpile. I know that my mom will probably like it as well. I'm looking for an expiry date, but I don't see one, but I'm sure it probably expires. But it's always nice to have this sort of stuff in your stockpile, and it's really nice that Olay's making an eczema body wash too. So that was this deal. Hey guys, so over at Meijer is a grocery store here in the Midwest. They have a new M-Perk for $1 off of a big product. These are 99 cents, so it would reduce this pack of pens down to completely for free. So that is the Meijer deal of the week. So as always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.